Alright friends, now let's learn about the clone method for ArrayList. So this method helps us copy one ArrayList into another. So let's see how to use in Java programming. So since we are copying from an integer list, our new list should also be a type of integer. So that's why I come here, I delete all. So I added numbers and then I come here, I say ArrayList integer. I copy these and then I come here, I paste it. I say clone numbers for my variable. And then what I need to do, I need to clone them. So by using clone method, I say numbers and then I use clone method. But as you see, I got an error. So type mismatch cannot convert from object to ArrayList integer. So for doing this, I need to cast it. So we saw casting operation. For example, I have string, I need to cast it to the integer. What I am doing, I'm writing int inside the parentheses. We are doing same operation. So I come here, I open my parentheses and close it. Inside it, I give that type. So as you see, I haven't any error right now. So let's print this clone number. I am successful or not. I use system.out.println and then I give clone numbers inside the parentheses. So let's run this code. You see, I print the result on the screen. I have a warning, not an error here. You see unchecked cast. But it's just a warning, it's not an error. So I print these successfully. Alright.